name's Krishant, and today we are going to be making a very interesting Scratch project. And in the Scratch project, we are going to be learning how to move sprites with your mouse, how to make a ball bounce in your games, and how to score points. So let's get started. We don't want this cat. And then we'll need 3 sprites. A ball, a paddle, and a line. A ball. There. Now I've got all my 3 things. So let's click on the line, and its x position is 0 and y position negative 170. Okay, now it's at the bottom. This is like, think of the line like lava. And then this paddle is gonna be at x position 21 and then y position negative 150. And the ball, where is it? There. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now, if you've got all your sprites and in the right spots, you can pick a bad one. So here, I like the neon theme. There, that looks cool. Now, let's start coding. First, go to the paddle, and then get a when green flag clicked. After that, you'll need a forever loop. And in that loop, we want to be able to move the paddle with our mouse. So we go to the motion, and then we need a set x to 0, and then we go to the sensing, and then we get the mouse X and we put it on the 0. Now, if you press the green flag, save it, and then if you press the green flag, then wherever your mouse moves, then the paddle will move with the mouse. If it's on this place. Now stop. And let's go to the line. Now, let's get another one green flag clicked. And I said the line is supposed to be like lava. So when the ball bounces and hits the line, then it's game over. So that's what we're going to code the line to do. When green flag clicked, and we wanted to check it forever, and if we go to something and get touching ball, then what do we want it to do? we want to say game. Then we want to stop everything. But if everything just stops, then the player might not know that it's game over. So we'll go to the cap, the sprite, but don't click on it. You can move up and then click on the paintbrush. And then over here, press on the T. Then over here we'll put game over. Here it is. I want this in green. Over here, game over. And then we'll make it bigger. And then make the plus there. Okay. Now the game over screen. Okay. I like this. Yay! Now we'll go back to the line and go to the code, and then if we put broadcast, then we can make the game over screen show. Here, and when I receive message 1, what do we want it to do? We want it to show. And if it's already showing when the green flag is clicked, we want it to hide. Okay, that's the code for this, and for this, and for this. Now the last sprite that we have to code is the ball. So all we want the ball to do is bounce around, and we'll have to put the scores. Oh, we still have to make the score. Okay, let's press make a variable, and then score. And then, okay, so score is showing here, and it's a variable over here. Now, if you want to delete the my variable, then go to set my variable, and then you could delete the my variable. Okay. Now, over here, when the green flag is clicked, we will want the score to be at 0. Set score to 0. And then when green flag clicked, for in the controls, we get a forever loop, and inside that if then, and over there we put if it's touching the paddle, then we'll want the ball to score a point. So let's go to the variables and change score by 1. And then why don't we try it out? Hey, something's missing. What is that something? The ball isn't moving. Oh, the game isn't starting because the ball isn't moving. So right now, we'll have to make the ball move. Come on, ball. When green flag clicked, we'll go to the motion. And then we'll get point direction 90 and change that into 45. And then we put a forever loop. And in that, we want move 15 steps. And after that, if the ball goes all the way to the edge, we want it to bounce. So in the motions, we get the if on edge bounce. And we put it in the forever loop. Now why don't we try it again? Whoa, that was cool. But I put my paddle in the right spot. Oh, we only put if touching paddle, then change score by 1. So it will change the score, and then since the line is behind the paddle, it will touch the line and then game over. We want it to bounce off. So over here, we get turn 15 degrees, and we change that to 90. And after that, we get move 15 steps. There. Why don't we try it? Whoa, that was real nice. Maybe we could put a wait 1 second from the control. And we want it to go kind of quick, not too fast and not too slow. So I would say let's put 0.2 seconds. That's a bit too slow. Okay. Let's make it faster. Point. Oh. There! It's a little faster. score. I think this game is fun, but what if someone's really good at this game? Whenever the ball comes, they hit it. So we'll need an end to the game. Maybe if we get 20 points, the game ends. So we get a 1 green flag quick and controls forever this one. And then we go to the operators. And then we get this one. And then we go to the variables. And there's the score in the circle. We get that and put it in the blank spot. And then we change the 50 into... Oh, whoopsie daisies. That's the other way around. There. So the score is the thing over here. So if this is 21, then 21 is more than 20, so game is over. So we go to the events, and we have a game over spot. So this is when I receive message 1. So we broadcast that. And then let's play. I think this game was fun. If you do, check out more videos on my YouTube channel and subscribe.